Okay, we're back. Here it is, the OnePlus 6T. Let's unbox this. Alright guys, we're back. So I'm super excited about this. Here it is, the OnePlus 6T. I haven't even opened the box, so let's get it cracking. Came within one business day. Let's check this out first. Alright, so here it is, the case for the OnePlus 6T. I went for the sandstone case. I'm actually going to be doing a video of this with the phone. So let me know in the comment section if you're actually going to be using a case with your phone, or do you prefer going with a skin? Because I know a lot of people are switching to skins rather than going with these cases. That's underneath. Okay. And then here we go. The OnePlus 6T. Unlock the speed. Really different packaging from the OnePlus 6, which I'll leave the unboxing up here. A little bit different, but I like it. All right, so this is something that I really like about OnePlus. They're moving towards a community-based company where they're built up the following and they're going forward with it. Let's crack this open. So at the front you have the 6. I don't see the T, I think it's probably underneath here. At the top you have your OnePlus slogan, which is never settle. On the side it says unlock, and then it has the fingerprint sensor over here. Back, I got my scissors. I'm just gonna pop this open. Oh, I see what they're doing. Bang. OnePlus community, so on and so forth. And then here we have the box once again, OnePlus 6T. Nothing at the bottom, and then unlock the speed. So let's pop this open. Bang. So here we go, here's the phone. Now the biggest thing that you're gonna notice are, well, two biggest things you're gonna notice about this phone. The notch, or I call it the notch less, compared to the iPhone X, which is all the way up here. It's very, very minimal. And then this, I can't wait to try this out. It's the in-screen fingerprint reader. So you don't have a fingerprint reader like you had for the 6 or the 5T and so on and so forth. Now it's built into the screen. So I'm going to be testing this baby out. So give me one quick second. And then here we have it. So you have two cameras, 16 megapixel for the primary, and then 20 megapixel for the bottom one. Just so you're aware, only the primary camera at the back, it has optic image stabilization and EIS, which is electronic image stabilization. The second camera doesn't, so be aware of that. At the right side, you get your classic OnePlus silent slider. And then here we have it, the power button. I'm actually going to power this on in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. OnePlus powered by Android. Now while this does its thing, let's see what else is in this box. So, okay, this is brand new, invitation letter. Really intrigued by this bad boy. A word from our CEO. Yes, crank that open. I'll actually type this out and leave it right below the like button in the description. And then here it is, 5 years old and 1,000,000 stories told. Created by you, with you, for you. And then in your box, you get your regular OnePlus content. You get your dash charger, okay? And then you get your USB-A to USB-C cable. And then finally, OnePlus has joined the rest of the team and gotten rid of their headphone jack. I personally don't use my headphone jack that much. If I do, for my iPhone X, I have the lightning cable. Otherwise, I'm using my Bluetooth headphones. So you have your USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack right here. And then here it is. I'm just gonna quickly run through the setup. Hi there. Let's start this up. OnePlus terms and conditions. Bang, done. Experience program. Now it's up to you if you want to be part of this. I'm just going to do no thanks. System stability program. No thanks. Push notifications. No thanks. I'm going to connect to my mobile networks. Okay, here we go. I'm just connecting, and then that's it. Super fast. I really like the screen size of this phone. Let me grab my iPhone XR. Here we go, copy the data. And just a quick comparison to the screen size of the OnePlus 6T and the XR. I'll be doing a comparison video of these two phones, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And then here we are, signed into our Google account. Agree to the terms and services. Gonna check the information. Now you have the option to do all of these things. Back up to Google Drive. I'm just gonna turn these off. Location, yes, allow the scanning, so let's go for it. Okay, so you can use your face and fingerprint to unlock. So we're gonna set that up. Add the face data. To use the fingerprint, we need to set up a pin just in case you're wearing a glove or it's dirty and it doesn't catch your fingerprint properly. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So allow face unlock to take a picture and record video. Allow it. Okay, I'm just gonna pop my face in. And there we go. Done. Very simple. Confirm. Now, how to use your fingerprint. When the fingerprint pattern appears at the bottom of the screen, simply use the gesture with your finger on the fingerprint identification area to use the fingerprint function. You can wake up the phone as well as authorize purchases or sign into apps. Okay, here we go. Time to set up the fingerprint. Okay, so here we go. We'll get this started, and there it is. It's appearing. So place it on here. And I'm just putting it gently. You're not supposed to be pressing down hard. It'll tell you what to do. Okay, now it's going to ask you to do edge inputs. So just like your sides of your thumb, continue. And that's it. Fingerprint has been added. When you see this icon, use your fingerprint. Okay, next. And adding a few touches. Okay, and then your screen calibration, I'll leave it to default. The Roboto font. And then here we have it. The actual OnePlus 6T unboxed for you. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. Do you think it's a good phone, or do you feel the Pixel 3 XL is going to be a little bit better? So I'm just going to turn this off and power it back on, and here it is. Here we go. Okay. Not recognized. Wow. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. I'll be doing more testing on that. Here you guys go. Oh, I totally forgot to see if they put a case in with the original one. I think they have the usual OnePlus clear back case that I absolutely love. Just a simple case. If you forget to purchase that, they'll include one in the box. I like it. And then in here is just some more stuff. Here it is, the manual. So you'll get your SIM ejector. Let's see what else is included in here. Safety information and quick start guide, safety information, SIM ejector tool. Here you guys have it, the OnePlus 6T. The review's coming out soon, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Goodbye.